Welcome to TouchCloud channel. In this video we are going to see about Python data types. We have string, set, numbers, list, dictionary and tuple data types. Set is defined by using curly bracket and it has two types, sets and frozen sets. List is defined by using bracket or array bracket. We can call how we want. Dictionary is also defined by using curly bracket with key value pair, and tuple is defined by using parenthesis. Let's see some examples for each one. Let me go to the Visual Studio Code. I'm creating a new file. Save the file name with py extension data type.py. In core directory, go to the Python directory. Okay, let's see example for string first. John 2. I'm using double quotes. Mark, print the value with its data type. Type is call type function. I'm changing the value to name 2 from name 1. We are ready to run. To run, use py file name. See, both single quotes and double quotes variable are treated as string. We can use anyone as we want. Let me comment this one. Let me go to the next example, which is of set. Okay. Set1 defined by using curly bracket m p a print set1 and type is set1. See, I am able to print and its type is set. I'm adding integer value. So it's the set1. Let me call. See, I am able to print the output. Okay, let me create one more set and pass the value in different way. Call set function. Now pass the value 10, 20, 30. Semicolon is not a mandatory one, even though without semicolon program will run. So I am able to print 10, 20, 30. Set is an unordered one. We can't expect it returns ordered value. It may come or may not come, but we should be careful with it. And set would not have duplicate values. Let me pass 30, 30 in set2 and running. See, even though I am having 33 times, I am getting only one value for 30. So set is an unordered one and we can add the value dynamically and it can have only the unique values. irrespective of the data type. For example, M, here I am going to pass M again. Let us comment this section. Screen. See, even though I am having M twice, but I am getting output only one time. Same way here too. Okay, let's see example for frozen set and find the difference between both two. F set, define frozen set using by calling frozen set, pass value 100, 200, 300, again 100. So the main difference between set and frozen set is we are able to add values dynamically to normal sets by calling add inbuilt function, but fset we can't add. See, we are not able to find add function for frozen set. So this is the main difference between those two. Let me print. See, in the third line I am getting frozen set, as well as order got changed. Even though we pass 100, 200, 300, here the output is like 200, 100, 300. So we should be careful while handling the values in our program. Let's go to our next example. For next data type is numbers. Let me comment. Equal to 10, print num and type so num is of int data type. Let me change the value to 10.5 and 10.10. Let's see its data type now. Now it is float data type. I am adding J at the end. Let's see what is data type. Do you think it will throw error? No. It is complex data type. This is how we can play with number data types. And our next example is for list. Let's see different by using bracket or array bracket. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three is list type. The coolest feature and difference between other programming languages list and Python list is Python allows to have different data type values in a single list, whereas some other programming languages allow homogeneous values. I mean same data type values only can have in the list. Here see, I am going to add string value in list and I am running. See, I am getting the same correct output. We can add the value. We can concatenate or append. I am going to have one more list. 10, 20. and I'm going to append or concatenate list 2 with list 1 plus equal to list 2 which is equivalent to list 1 equal to list 1 plus list 2 list 1. See, I got the appended value in list 1. We can modify the value. So here we have list 1 with 1, 2, 3, 8, 10, 20. I mean 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 elements we have. The index position starts from 0. So to modify the fourth element, its index position is 3. See, I change the fourth element so that the index position is 3, 0, 0 is of 1 and 1 is of 2 and 2 is of 3 and fourth element is 3 which is of A. Now the value is 100. We can add the values and we can modify the values in list and we can have different data types in a single list. And let us go to the next example, dictionary. So dictionary is also defined by using curly bracket, but it should have key value. Key should be in string format. Name. Value can be any data type. I am printing dictionary. See, I am getting the output, but here we printed the all values inside this dictionary. If I want to access only the particular key, print dict of name I got name output. If I want to access only the age, see, I am getting age alone. To find only the values from dictionary, call values method of dictionary. To know only keys from dictionary, call keys function. It was my typo. See, I am able to see dict values and dict keys. Name and age are keys and John and 20 are values. Okay. Let me go to the final example for tuple. Tuple 1 we can define by using parentheses 1 and a. I'm sorry. The output 1 and A. So the main difference between list and tuple is we can't modify the value for tuple. For example, I am going to modify second value, so the position is 1 and let's be tuple. It will throw an error. See, tuple object does not support item assignment. I hope this tip would be helpful for you people. Let's see in next video. Thank you.